Good morning to you, Terry. So happy Tuesday.
Yes.
Yeah, how do you answer? How do you answer
Mm,
teacher when I say happy Tuesday?
mm, yes. I just say yes.
Oh, you just say yes? No. It's like a greetings, all right? Like you say, "Oh, thank you, teacher. Happy Tuesday too." Okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, happy Tuesday, Terry.
Yes.
Not yes, you say
Oh,
thank you.
thank you. Happy Tuesday too.
Okay, that's correct. So how was your day? I
I'm fine, thank you.
mean, yesterday, how was your Monday yesterday?
Very good.
Very good, really?
Really.
Why was it very good? Why it was very good? Why it was very
Mm,
good?
because uh um I don't need to swim today.
Oh, you're not going to swim today?
Yes.
Why?
Because I'm sick.
Oh, you're sick, really? So you have to rest. Why do you take your class today?
My mom said I need to uh take the English class.
But are you okay?
Yes, I think.
How do you feel now?
Mm, so.
So, all right. Well, do you take medicine, Terry?
Yes.
How many medicines do you take?
Mm, two.
Two medicines. Why? You said you're sick, so you catch cold and cough?
Yes.
Do you have a flu?
What does flu mean?
Like a fever?
What does fever mean?
Oh, really? You don't know that both? Okay, let
Yes.
me let me check the Chinese word. Okay, I'll send it on the Skype. Can you see that?
Um. Oh, yes, I can see it.
Okay, so you know what it means?
Yes.
So, do you have a fever?
Mm, a little.
A little. So, you have to eat a lot of vegetables and fruits today. Okay, and you take a rest. Don't play too much in your iPad. Do you have an iPad?
I don't have an iPad.
What do you have?
Mm,
Or a
I have
tablet? Mm-hmm.
I have computer.
Oh, you have a computer. A laptop?
What? Can you say again?
A laptop? Oh, you take a water. You drink water. Drink water, Terry. I think you every time you cough, you drink some water. Okay.
Okay.
You just have to drink a little, at least a little. Okay. Teacher is quite not feeling well also this morning. I'm quite sick too, just like you. Um, both of us, right? But
Right.
but I'm okay, don't worry. But my voice is not, I think, because I'm not I'm not feeling well today as well. Well, anyway, let's have a recap. from our discussion last week. Okay, what was the last topic we had last time? Do you still remember them?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, what was that?
Classify.
No, that's our topic today.
Oh.
We're going to discuss this topic today, but I was asking from last week. Do you remember?
Oh, compare.
Okay, yeah. So when you compare, it means you see how things are. Remember, Terry? What are these two words? What do you see when you compare? Things are alike and different, right?
Right.
And most of the time, you can see things more in difference, okay? More than alike. Most of the time, you can tell many things with the differences. Okay, when you compare one thing to the next thing, you can tell many differences, but very few that they have in common. Okay, so this morning we're going to discuss classify. Okay, you know, Terry, the scientists also need to classify. Okay. All right. Now, I'd like you to tell teacher, did you study your lesson?
What does lesson mean?
Lesson. Lesson.
Oh,
Did you study your homework?
yes.
Okay, good. So tell me, what's the meaning of classify?
Mean to put means to group things that are alike.
Yeah. You have to classify or to group, okay? You have to group the things that are alike. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So, do you think it's really important for the scientists to group the things that are alike?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Why? Why do you think so?
Because it's very difficult to find the things.
I'm sorry, what is it? Because
Because it's very difficult to find the things.
Because it's very difficult to find the things. Okay, what else? Why do you think that it is still important? Or it is important to group the things that are alike? Anything else? Okay, it is also better, okay?
Okay.
It is also better to see easily, okay? It is much easier for the scientist to see what he's going to do next when he see the things are alike, okay?
Okay.
When he will not group them or classify them, it's quite difficult for him to connect the one thing to the next thing, okay?
Okay.
So it's so important to classify, okay? You know, they have many different ways or methods of discovering something. And of course, part of it, before they will successfully done their work, they really need to classify. Okay? You got it?
Yes, I got it now.
Okay. So, we're going to check your homework, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I said you need to study the meaning of classify and try to give example of classification. Okay, so where is your homework?
Page.
Where did you write it? 30?
My dad say don't need to write it. I don't know what he's saying.
Okay.
I tell my dad to help me to do my homework, but my dad say, I don't need to write.
Why not? Okay, never mind. It's okay, teacher will write for you, but you have to tell me. Okay? You're gonna have to tell me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's begin classifying one thing. I told you to give an example. Okay?
Okay.
So your dad taught you an example of classification. Give me example of classification.
Okay. Mm, mm,
Oh, bless you. Drink water.
mm, mm, book.
Sorry? A book?
Yes.
Okay.
Mm,
Okay, I'll give you example, Derry, okay? Okay. Alright. For example, I am a teacher of grade. What grade are you now?
grade 4.
Okay. Let's say teacher Cha is a teacher, an English teacher. I'm an English teacher of grade 4. Okay. So there are 3 sections. You know sections?
I don't know what section means.
Okay, for the first classroom, there are 30 students. This is section, let's say section 1. Okay? You understand me?
Okay.
Alright, I think I'm gonna write it, okay? Teacher, okay, for example. Okay, I write it down, okay? Teacher is an English teacher from, sorry, is an English teacher of grade 4 students. Let's say there are 3 sections of grade 4. Section 1. Two. And 3. Okay? See it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, in section 1, teacher Cha assigned the students to cover their notebooks with red. Okay.
Okay.
Section 2 with blue. And section 3 with yellow. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, you drink water.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, can you read teacher's example?
Okay. For example, teacher Cha is an English teacher of grade 4 students.
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 With an S. Students.
Students. Let's say there are 3 sections of grade 4. Section 1, 2, and 3 in section. In section 1, teacher Cha assigned
What? In section 1, the students are going to cover their notebooks with red, right?
Right.
What about section 2? What about section 2?
With blue, and section 2 with blue.
Okay, and section 3?
With yellow.
Okay, so do you understand what are they going to do?
Yes.
I'll show you example. Okay?
Okay.
Just like this, Terry. Section 1, it's red. Can you see what I'm writing? Oh my gosh. Are you sure you don't like to take a rest? Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
I think yes.
I really hope so. Okay. Give me a minute. Can you see teacher's picture?
Not yet. Oh, I see it.
Okay. Okay, so that's blue, right?
Right.
And then, wait a minute. And what about section 3? What color of their notebook? Yellow, right?
Right.
Okay. Can you see this all?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay. So we have the section 1 with the red color, section 2 with the blue color, and section 3 with the yellow color of notebooks. Okay. So can you imagine, let's say each classes has 30 students, each classroom, okay?
Okay.
So let's say they don't have color of the notebooks, okay? Let's say they can use any color. Do you think Teacher Cha can easily distribute or can easily give back the student's notebook after doing exercises? Is it easy?
No.
No, why not?
Mm,
Why it's not easy?
um,
Why Teacher
mm,
Cha um will have hard time? Or you said, why did you say that it's not easy to give back the notebooks to the students when there's no color of each notebooks? Why did you say that?
mm,
You said it's not easy, right?
right.
Why not?
Mm, because Mm,
Okay, I will help you. It's not easy to give back the notebooks to the students because it's many, right?
right.
The teacher might make mistake giving each notebooks to each sections, to each classrooms. She cannot distribute them easily. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So you understand why classification or classifying of the things alike, right?
Right.
Alright. What about you? Give me example, Terry.
Mm, mm, mm,
Okay, what? Give me an example. Okay, look around you. You can think, okay, you go to, or you swim every day, right?
right.
Okay. So since you go swimming or you swim every day, um, what are the things you bring? What are the things you bring, um, when you go swimming?
Water bottle.
Okay, let's write it down, okay? Terry goes swimming. Okay, what are the things you bring? Bottled water.
Water bottle. A water bottle.
Okay, what else?
And the swimsuit.
Okay, you have the swimsuit.
Yes.
What else?
Mm, mm,
What else?
mm, uh, the swim hat.
Swim
Hat.
hat?
Yes.
It's not a hat. Swim hat?
I don't know how to say in English.
Oh, you have to say it's a head cap.
Head cap.
Mm-hmm. What else?
Mm,
What else do you bring?
mm,
Clothes for change, right?
right.
Or clothing for because after
Mm,
you swim you got wet, right?
right. Oh, and
Or I would say extra clothes, right?
right.
Okay, what else?
Mm, swim glass.
Oh, it's not a glass. We call it goggles.
Goggles.
Okay?
Okay.
That's all?
I think yes.
Yes. Okay. So we have extra clothes, alright? Here, I want you to focus your eyes here with your extra clothes. So after swimming, your swimsuit gets wet, right?
Right.
So what will you do if you only have one bag? Okay, you have a swimming bag, right?
Right.
You put everything you need when you go swimming inside your bag. You have your bottled water, you have your swimsuit, you have your head cap, you have your extra clothes, and you also have goggles, right?
Right.
So, after you swim, your swimsuit will get wet. Your head cap will get wet. Your clothes, your goggles, is also wet. What will you do if they are wet? Are you going to put them inside your bag?
Yes.
Yes, you have to put it inside your bag. But they are all wet. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you know the meaning of wet?
Yes.
Okay, and dry?
Instead of dry.
Yeah. How do you put them inside the bag if they are all wet and the other things you have are dry?
I use the other bag.
Oh, you bring another bag. So that's what you do.
Yes.
You bring another bag and you put all your wet things in there and then you
Yes.
put it inside your bag.
Yes.
Okay. That's one example of classifying, okay?
Okay.
You separate the wet things to dry things, right?
Right.
Okay. So that's one example of classifying, Terry. Okay, give me one more example because teacher was the one who gave you, right?
Right.
Think of the things you do every day or maybe you like to do in the future. Okay? Then tell me how to classify them.
Mm, mm, mm,
When you clean your bedroom,
yes.
you told me you can clean your own bedroom, right?
Right.
Do you classify things or your things in your bedroom?
Yes.
How?
I put a book in I put a book in on my desk and
You put all your books on the desk. What else?
and then I mm, I make the bed.
You make the bed, okay. So you already separated your books on the desk. Then when you go to the bed, what you gonna do?
Uh, mm, mm,
Mm-hmm.
uh,
When you make your bed,
yeah.
you put them all on your bed. The pillows. How many pillows do you have?
4. No, 2.
Okay, you have 2 pillows, then 1 bed sheet, and 1 cover sheet, right?
Right.
Okay. So you cannot mix them all together in one place because the bed sheet should be put as a cover on your bed, right?
Right.
You cannot put the pillow first. Okay, you have to classify them in order, right? Also in order, okay. So that's very important, okay? So for the scientists, they don't only compare, but they also classify. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's talk about the scientist classification. Now tell me, why is it important for the scientist to classify? You said scientists also classify, right?
Right.
Okay, tell me why.
Because it's very difficult to find the things.
Mm-hmm, that's right. It's difficult to find things. So they also need to classify. Okay, that's good. Now, I'd like you to go with teacher on the next page. On page 32, there are two flowers in there. Okay, we have an orchid and gladiolus or gladiolus, all right? I don't know this flower. I know orchid. Do you know orchid?
I don't know orchid.
There are many orchids here in my country. Okay? It's easy to make one. But gladiolus or gladiolus is not common to me. But anyway, these are both flowers, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's say you have 10 orchids and 10 gladiolus. So you have to classify them according to their names, right? So that it can be easily sold, right?
Right.
For example, I'm selling flowers. If I mix them together and there is a customer who would like to buy orchids, if I mix this flower together or these flowers together, it will be difficult for me to sell them because the customer will wait longer for me to find all the orchids, right?
Right.
That's very important to classify. Okay, just like when you go to school. Okay, you put your, or you classify your things like books are all books, notebooks are all notebooks, right? You don't mix your notebooks to your books because books are bigger than your notebooks, correct?
Correct.
And it's easier for you to see what you want to see. It's easier for you to get what you want to get, right? It's easier for you to find what you want to find, right? So it's still important. Actually, we classify every day. We classify things every day. Maybe we are not aware because we already used to, right?
Right.
This is what you do every day. So you're not aware that you compare. You're not aware that you classify. Okay? So this method is so important as well with them. Okay? You got it?
We have got it.
Okay. So let's continue. Okay. So on the next page, on page 33, the next topic to discuss is scientific method. Did you read them?
I think no.
Okay. We're going to study this morning. This on this page 33. Please follow teacher.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I want you to read first page 33.
Yes.
Okay. So it says here, scientists ask questions about the things they see. They make a plan to help them find answers to their questions. You can use this plan too. Wow. You can use all of this plan too. Or this plan. So what is this plan? Can you read them? First, you have to, what is in the first box?
A bird.
Okay, observe.
Observe. Yes.
Okay. Ask a question. Okay, well, after observe, what will you do next?
Ask a question.
Ask a question, then
Make a plan.
make a plan, then
Follow the plan.
Next.
record the result.
Okay. Then
try the plan again.
Next.
Draw a conclusion.
Okay, so you're gonna draw a conclusion. Okay, very good. And the last one.
Communicate.
Communicate. So all of these you need them in order for you to conduct a scientific method. This is a scientific method. We call it method because when you say method, it's a way. It's how the scientists work. Okay?
Okay.
So let's say you're going to you want to discover what will happen, for example, when you mix yellow color to blue. When you mix blue and yellow color, what's gonna happen, Terry? Okay, so you have to observe. You have to ask question. Do you know what happens, Terry, when you mix blue and yellow colors?
It turned to green.
Yes, it will turn to green. Okay, these two primary colors, when you mix them together, blue and yellow, it will come out or it will turn to green. Very good, Terry. How do you know that?
Everyone knows this.
Everyone knows that? I don't think so. Some people don't know that. Okay? Well, this is what we call mixing of primary colors. So when you combine these two, blue and yellow colors, it will turn to green, right? But you have to observe, okay? While you're mixing them, you will observe something, okay? Wow, why is it turning green? Then you have to start asking yourself a question. Why do you think blue and yellow turned to green? You have to answer your own question. Then you have to make a plan. Okay? So you have to make a plan. Now what's going to be your plan? You have to conduct research also. What yellow color has and what blue color has. Okay? Why did they turn to green? You have to make a plan and follow the plan. Okay? Then record the results of your plan. Okay? Then you try the plan again. If it's working again. Okay? If it's gonna work again. Then make a conclusion or draw a conclusion. Then you communicate. When you say you communicate, you're going to speak about this. Okay? To other people or to the people in charge or to the people who are involved in your project, alright, in your subject. You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So there are so many things to do when you have scientific methods, right?
Right.
Okay. So we will study now the importance of each part in the scientific method. Okay, you follow teacher on page 35.
Okay.
There are two children in the picture on page 35. It's a boy and a girl and having conversation. So can you read the conversation, Terry? What's the girl asking to the boy? Terry, are you there? What's the girl asking to the boy? Can you read that?
What do plants need to grow?
Plants.
Plants.
Again.
Plants.
No, I mean you read again.
Oh, what do plants need to grow?
Okay, what do plants need to grow? What did the boy say?
I think plants need light to grow.
Okay. So the girl is asking, how do plants, okay, or what do plants need to grow? In order for the plants to grow, what do they need? And then the boy said, the plants need light in order for them to grow. Okay? So,
Okay.
the scientists observe and ask questions. Okay? It's very important to observe and ask a question or ask questions. Okay? If you don't ask a question, okay, you will not come out to a conclusion. Okay? You cannot make a conclusion from your subject, from your project, or from your invention. That is so important as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Terry. So, teacher will be having a conversation again with you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
So, I'll just give you a homework.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. I'll give you a homework. This is very simple. Okay, answer the questions, okay? Wait a minute. What do you need? Okay, this is very simple, Terry. Okay, you're gonna answer the question. Okay? What do you need to be strong and healthy? Understand? Terry, can you see this? Hello?
I can see that.
Okay, this is your homework, okay?
Okay.
All right. Any question, Terry?
I have no question.
Okay. Have a nice day to you, Terry. And teacher will see you again tomorrow. And please take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water, okay?
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Terry.
Bye.
Okay.